Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to show you guys real quick what happened if when your headlight it's dim, or when you're using the stock light bulb. What you can do with it is you can upgrade it to an LED light bulb, and it will make it brighter, right? And the installations, it depends on the vehicles. Some might be really simple, some might be a little complicated. In my situation, I have a 2012 GMC Acadia. It's a little bit hard, but it's not that hard where you can't really do it, right? So basically, RimThin sent over the light bulb for me to review it and to unbox it for you guys. So basically, we're gonna take a look at it and then go over what it has to offer, and then I'll show you guys the process of how I installed it and then how it looks at the end of the installation. All right, as you can see, this is the website on Amazon store, and you can see that if you want, you can visit it. But right now, this is the light bulb that I was talking about, and this is the H7, so 6000K. It's super white, 60 watts, right? So it depending on your car and whatever type of light bulbs that you have, you can order. Make sure you order the correct size, otherwise it won't fit. They got H7, H4, 903, H13, 9004, 905. So depending on whatever size you need, whether it's for your headlamps or even for your high beams, you can even upgrade it as well too. So just make sure. But you can see this is what it offers. The halogen one, right? It's pretty dark, you can't see the sign. But with the RimThin, you can see it's super bright and white color. You can see at night, you can see the deer as well too. So I mean, like when you're driving at night, you pretty much want something ahead of you. Can make sure you see everything in front of you, right? And this is the H7, how it looks like. Okay, you see that? And again, installations varies depending on the car that you have, right? But I'm going to show you what I did to my car. All right, so let's the review for this one is, you can see 4.4 out of 5, which is excellent review. Oh, and it's not just like 1 or 2 reviews. There's like almost 2,900 reviews. So it's something that customers bought and then they use and they like it. So as you can see here, right now you can get a set for $25.99. All right. So if you want, I'll list all the information in the description for you guys. Okay, so I just replaced the high beam, and it's super. I try to go through here, but it doesn't work. You have to go through over here. The low beam, it's this one. So if you want to do it, then you go through right here. You just move the wheel to the other side, and then the space is really tight. All right, to replace this light bulb. But if you replace the high beam, you go through the back here. So you unlock this cover in the back, right? The space is really tight. So I don't know if you can even see it, but it's right here. This is where you're gonna have to put the cover. And you're pretty much gonna have to play, kind of feel it where it is, and then try to wiggle it in. And I finally got it in, right? It took me a while, and your hand will have like scratches done all over, because it's just the way that the design to replace this, it's just a pain in the butt, I tell you. But I got one side on already. The driver's side, I got it on. Now I'm going to do the other side to replace the high beam. And you're going to see the color of it. So it used to be yellow, but now we replace it with this RimThin lighting. So it's like super white, super clear. This is the spec of it. You can see 100 watts. 3,000 lumens, and then material heat sinks 66 degree aluminum, operating temperature 40 to 176 Fahrenheit. That's pretty high. Speed of fan, it has its internal fan, I guess, 15,000 RPM. Current temperature is 6,000 K, and operating 12 volts. It's 1 year warranty. Waterproof rating IP67. Lifespan is 50,000 hours. So I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna show you guys both of them. All right. For the passenger side is really hard to get to here. So you have to open the underneath. I try to remove the radiator, the coolant thing here doesn't work. I try to remove this, it's just too much, right? I try to remove the headlights, it's too many bolts, too many hard work. So what I did, just move the wheel over here, right? And then you can go from underneath here, just like on the other side. And now you can see the light bulb hanging right there. We're just gonna replace it. And so to put it back, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, and the screw is like this, right? So I think you use, what is this? This is something 15, number 15, I don't know, 115, okay? So it's shaped really funny, like a star shape, right? So, and then to open it, they have 1 clip here, 2 clip, 3 clip, 4 clips. So all you need to do is just loosen 4 clips and you're good to go. Now I'm done with everything. I'm just gonna put it back and then I'm gonna do a test and to see if everything is working as it should, right? And then you can tell me the difference. I have Oxylum, I think Oxylum or something like that, similar to, already installed in there for my low beam. So the high beam today is Rhythm. So let's see. Okay, there we go. All right, guys. So I'm finally done with the high beams. As you can see, super bright. This one is the one I just replaced, and this one is I replaced it as well too. That's another brand. Oxylum, but they're both really nice compared to the original one, the halogen one. It's yellowish color, and this one, as you can see, this is the daytime and it's super bright. You can see that, right? Beautiful, super bright. See, if you're gonna do this, replacing this, I'm just talking about the GMC itself. Your car might be different. The locations of your light bulbs may be different than mine, but for the GMC Acadia, it's really hard. It got cuts all over the place. So, and I got cut over here as well too. So yeah, if you're gonna do it yourself, you got to prepare to get dirty, but the result, it's beautiful. It's night, day and night. You're gonna love it, right? So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll list all the parts, actually all the description for the light bulb, just in case if you guys want to check it out and replace your halogen or your original one, or if yours even burned out, you want to replace a new one. And if you have a GMC, a Traverse, stuff like that, the way you replace it might be similar to mine. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.